Is your 2021-2022 Genesis G70 key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY replacement. Save time and money by doing it yourself. The battery you'll need is a CR2032. Key signs your key fob battery is dying include reduced range, where the signal doesn't work from as far away as before. You may need to press buttons multiple times for the car to respond, or experience an intermittent connection where it works sometimes but not others. Check if your car displays a low battery warning on the dashboard. Battery life typically lasts 1 to 2 years, but cold climates can shorten it. For replacing the key fob battery in your Genesis G70, you'll need just a few simple items. First, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is a 3-volt lithium coin cell. These are widely available at electronics stores or online for about $5 to $10. Next, a small flathead screwdriver will help pry open the key fob. If you don't have one, a coin can work in a pinch. Alternatively, a plastic pry tool is gentler on the key fob and helps avoid scratches. These are often sold in sets for electronics repair. Finally, you might want to wear gloves to prevent fingerprints or oils from transferring to the battery contacts. To open your key fob, first locate the small notch or slit on the edge, usually near the key blade. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch. Twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation with the plus side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Avoid touching the battery surface with your bare fingers. Now snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons while near your car. The doors should lock and unlock, and the trunk should open. If your key fob isn't working after battery replacement, here are some troubleshooting steps and helpful tips. First, double-check the battery orientation. The CR2032 battery must be inserted with the positive terminal facing up. Refer to the diagram showing the battery components. Second, verify you're using a new, high-quality CR2032 battery. Old or low-quality batteries may not provide sufficient power. If the fob still doesn't work, reprogramming may be needed. Access the vehicle's infotainment system and navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, Key, and Relearn. Alternatively, take it to a Genesis dealership for assistance. Additional tips: avoid extreme temperatures, use plastic tools when opening the fob, and keep it away from metal objects that could interfere with signals. The automotive industry is moving towards digital keys via smartphone apps. While the 2021-2022 G70 relies on physical fobs, newer models support digital keys as an optional add-on. Expect future key fobs to become more energy efficient, potentially using rechargeable or battery-less technologies.